Fubo TV, how to sign up. So right here you can go ahead and scroll down and there you will find sign up option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on the next. Here you have to enter your email address, password and your zip code. So go ahead and do that. Here I'm doing it with you. So make sure that your password is acceptable and confirm the zip code and then tap on continue. Now the next process is to select a plan. Go ahead and tap on next. Now go ahead and select a plan of your preference and also decide how would you like to pay and then tap on next. Now all you have to do is go ahead and enter your credential of your payment information. That is the name of your card info, your billing zip code. Now once you do all of this, you'll be able to log into your Fubo TV. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.